You're so good at it. At being a vampire.
Come to me. Whenever you want. I won't let you lose control.
Caroline? I can't breathe.
See? You made it out alive.
We need each other. We need to be together, Stefan.
Lost.
I'm awake but still sleeping. I keep telling myself I'll be alright. And I know we can't get worse than today. Sitting here and she's trying to rehearse what to say.
Why did you leave me?
All I had to do was tell her the truth, and I didn't. Why? Why do you have a thing for me? Her mother died.
I'm sorry. You were leaving.
Who are you right now?
Get back in your car and go. I hate you.
I'm sorry.
So I keep it on the side. Wear my pain, but it's masked by my pride. She came to hold me and she cried.
No, I'm not.
To my eyes said,
I see your monsters. I see your pain.
Hey.
Tell me your problems.
You didn't deserve that. I'm not going anywhere. Because I love you. I promise you, I will not let anything happen to you. Something happened between Caroline and me.